Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. If your iPhone dies too quickly, lags like crazy, or just feels off, it's probably because of some default settings that Apple never tells you to turn off. So today I'm showing you 10 iPhone settings you should turn off right now to boost your battery life, privacy and speed in 2025. So without any further delay, let's start this video. First, background app refresh. To turn it off, go to the settings, general and background app refresh. Turn it for all the app you don't need running in the background. It eats your battery and RAM like crazy, and trust me, you won't miss it. Number 2, location services. Go to settings, privacy and location services. Turn it off for the apps that don't need it like Instagram, Facebook, random games. Also scroll down and set significant location off in the system services. It literally tracks your every move, creepy and unnecessary. Third, analytics and improvement. Go to settings, privacy and security, and analytics and improvement. Apple collects diagnostic data by default. Turn all of this off, your battery will thank you and your iPhone will stop constantly pinging Apple servers. Now before we move on, let me quickly show you a killer app I have been using to keep my iPhone fast and clean. It's called Cleanup Pro by TensorShare, and it's like having a smart assistant for your storage. Whether you have duplicate photos, large videos, blurry images or junk files that eats gigabytes of spaces, Cleanup Pro finds and removes them in just one tap using AI. You can also compress videos and photos without losing quality, create private albums or even hide secret contact. It's beginner friendly, super fast, and the best part, there is a 3-day free trial with the link given in the description. So if you are serious about boosting performance and freeing up space, try it now, and as I mentioned, the link is given in the description and in the pinned comment as well. Now let's go back to the video. Next is app tracking. Go to settings, privacy, tracking and turn off allow apps to request to track. This blocks app from following your activity across the apps. More privacy, fewer creepy ads. Next is push emails. For that, go to settings, mail, accounts and fetch new data. Set it to fetch manually instead of push. This will save a lot of battery, especially if you have multiple email accounts like me. Next is unused app notifications. For this, go to settings and notifications. Scroll through and disable notifications for the app that you don't need it. You would be surprised how much battery background notifications eat up. And by just turning off this small setting, you can save a good amount of battery if you have a lot of apps installed on your iPhone. Next is auto downloads. Go to the settings, App Store, turn off app updates and automatic downloads. You can always update manually. This just keeps things from syncing and downloading when you don't want them to. Next is system haptics. This is optional, but if you want to turn it off, go to the settings, then sounds and haptics and system haptics. Turn it off if you want to save battery and stop minor vibrations throughout the system. This one is preference based, but I personally keep it off. And the last is Safari preload. For this, go to the settings, then Safari and preload top hit. Turn this off, it loads website automatically before you even tap on them, which wastes data, slow Safari and is pointless 99% of the time as a normal user. And that's it. These small tweaks can seriously extend your battery life, boost speed and make your iPhone feel brand new. Also, don't forget to try out Cleanup Pro from the link given in the description. Use the 3 days trial and you will see a huge difference in your performance and storage. And if you fell in love with the app, you can purchase its premium too, as per your need. If you want to know more about managing your iPhone storage, then watch this video on the I button. This will also help your iPhone to keep clean and faster. If this help you out, give it a like, share it with iPhone Squad and subscribe to Region of Tech for more awesome tips. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.